No one is talking about this insane news, but holy crap, they should be. The United States just dropped a crypto industry bombshell. A major announcement about stablecoins. I know, boo, stablecoins are boring and not sexy. I get it. But it's insanely bullish for the market. You need to understand what's going on because this is going to change everything. It's not just a minor policy shift. This is about trillions of dollars coming into the cryptocurrency market, the future US dollar dominance globally, and the biggest opportunity crypto's probably seen in years. Oh yeah, I know. To get rid of those bearish vibes, okay? This is going to be big. So in this video, I'm breaking down what the USA just announced, who the major players are behind the scenes, and most importantly, what it means for your crypto coins. Stick around until the end as well to find out what sectors of the cryptocurrency market could skyrocket, particularly off of this news. While Trump's executive order for a Bitcoin strategic reserve, very exciting, great. Digital asset stockpile, a little bit less exciting. Okay, sure, but it's gonna grab a headline, make us happy too. The biggest news that went under the radar, because markets are crashing, everybody's freaking out, the first ever crypto White House summit happened, and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent made a crazy statement that should have sent bullish vibes blasting through the market, but everybody's too bearish to care about it. He said, "We are going to put a lot of thought into the stablecoin regime, and President Trump has directed that we are going to keep the US dollar the dominant reserve currency in the world, and that we will use stablecoins to do that." Smart businessman. Stablecoins are one of the biggest buyers of U.S. treasuries. The banks are going to launch stablecoins. It's going to extend U.S. dollar dominance. It's massive. Stablecoins are about to become an even more powerful tool. They're about to become a powerful tool for the United States to maintain financial global dominance. Imagine a future where stablecoins make the U.S. dollar instantly accessible, borderless, and efficient, all powered on crypto rails. It's going to be insane. That's the kind of adoption the industry's been waiting for. We're literally talking about trillions of dollars coming on chain here. But the bullish news doesn't stop there. You see alongside the summit, a department within the Treasury issued a series of letters confirming a continued shift towards positive stablecoin regulation. We also have the Genius Act coming soon too, which is going to really shake things up. Now, the national banks and federal savings associations can actually hold cryptocurrency assets in custody and use stablecoins for certain payment activities and participate in blockchain networks such as node operators. You even had Bank of America come out and say, look, as soon as regulations change, we're going to launch stablecoin. Bank of America stablecoin. It's coming. All of this is huge. For years, traditional finance has dragged its feet on crypto adoption. Now the doors are finally opening up. The easing of banking resistance on stablecoin adoption is way overdue. And here's why this is bullish for both the cryptocurrency markets and for the US dollar. One, it's going to bring a ton of new buyers to US debt. People the world over will be able to get US dollars super easily, more easily than ever before. Be able to send them to anywhere in the world. Be crazy. Dollar dominance globally is going to soar. Two, it'll unlock trillions of dollars of potential liquidity over the next decade that will come into the cryptocurrency markets, opening the door for massive growth. Think about it. USDT has been the dominant stablecoin for years. It's a $100 billion plus market cap, but it's going to be a baby compared to the big banks launching stablecoins. The US government is essentially saying, we want a piece of the stablecoin action. We want people to buy our treasury bonds and back stablecoins up with them. This is exactly what crypto mass adoption looks like. The major players are already positioning themselves for this stablecoin boom. But before we get into that, we have to give a big shout out to today's sponsor. Especially if you're a Crypto.com user, you gotta listen up to this, because have you ever heard of Loaded Lions? See, they just launched a new token, it's the Lion token, slightly more than just a couple weeks old at this point. It's already on the Solana network, the Arbitrum network, born on the Kronos network, which is the Crypto.com blockchain. Loaded Lions is where cool art meets real utility. So this is the flagship NFT collection of Crypto.com. I know you're thinking, oh, NFTs, but this is important, especially if you're a Crypto.com user. Loaded Lions is shaping up to be a powerhouse brand because holders will get exclusive perks and bonuses in the Loaded Lions main city game. They're going to get special giveaways to major sporting events like UFC events, ringside seats, access to premium mints, but most importantly, for you, if you're a Crypto.com user, benefits within the Crypto.com app. Now they've launched the Lion token, which powers the Loaded Lions ecosystem with impressive staking rewards available again through the Crypto.com Earn program, DeFi staking vaults. Lion is packed up with some potential here, but that's just the beginning because plans are already in motion to integrate the Lion token into the Crypto.com Visa card, bringing you even more utility, more benefits. Loaded Lions main city game also going to see some love here from the Lion token. We'll even have some governance futures coming in the future. So especially if you're a Crypto.com user, if you have a Crypto.com Visa card, you should really check out what the guys over at Loaded Lions are doing. There's a link down below in the description where you can learn more. Or if you just want to know more what they're doing, go check it out, guys. Thank you for supporting our sponsors. So let's talk about PayPal. Look, PayPal has not wasted any time in the stablecoin game. Its PYUSD stablecoin has been set for massive expansion in the coming year. Been out for a couple of years, a bit of a slow start, but they're rolling now. Right now, they have plans to roll it out to 20 million plus merchants worldwide. And the PayPal model is what Bank of America is going to do. It's what JP Morgan is going to do, and dozens of other banks. Literally trillions coming, guys. PayPal is also planning on integrating PYUSD as a global payment option into Hyperwallet, which is a platform for freelancers, contractors, and sellers. Bank of America, of course, again, confirmed they're launching their own stablecoin. It was only earlier this month that the chief executive over Bank of America said, if they make that legal, we will go into that business. They're just waiting on the regulation to pass, guys. Overregulation has always been the issue here. We did see some early adopters. JP Morgan's JPM coin has been live since 2020, but it's currently exclusive to private clients, so never made retail mainstream adoption. But now they could be preparing to go public because after adding programmability last year, JPM coin transaction volume has exploded by a factor of 10. Even Stripe is doubling down, one of the biggest payment processors on the internet. Last month, it completed a $1.1 billion acquisition of Bridge, which is a stablecoin infrastructure platform. Stripe coin's coming. Stripe added USDC support as well in 2024. And within 1 week, they processed more stablecoin transactions than Bitcoin in their entire history. So that's saying something about the demand that is there for stablecoin use and for early adopters to see big benefits from that technology. In Asia, Standard Chartered Bank is preparing to launch a Hong Kong dollar-backed stablecoin pending regulatory approval. USDT may have been the dominant stablecoin, of course, for years, but make no mistake, the US government and the biggest financial players in the world, like JP Morgan, Bank of America, all these guys, they want a piece of that action. It's a great business model, by the way. They give you dollars, you earn nothing on them, but they get to buy treasuries to back them and earn the interest. Genius. Look, this isn't just a crypto experiment anymore. This is the mainstream adoption of stablecoins in motion. It's going to literally bring trillions of dollars into the market. So which blockchains stand to win big from a stablecoin boom? Well, the boom is already here, and it's only going to get bigger. The total stablecoin market cap has hit a new all-time high of $226 billion. There is a significant number, especially during a market dump. That's a lot of money. It shows that huge amount of capital remains on the sidelines in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, waiting just to be deployed at the opportune time. Despite the price right now, Ethereum does remain, of course, the undisputed stablecoin king for a variety of reasons. It's already handling over $100 billion in stablecoin liquidity, and that number is set to explode as more institutional money flows in. They don't mind paying a few bucks in gas fees. They want the security and the reliability of ETH. But while Ethereum's stablecoin market cap is 10 times bigger than Solana's, it can't be ignored just how quickly Solana has been gaining momentum and catching up to Ethereum. Since PayPal and USDC expanded into the Solana network, Solana's stablecoin market cap has been absolutely exploding. So far in 2025, Circle has minted $8 billion of USDC on Solana, with $6 billion minted in January and $2 billion in February. That's a lot of money. Then there's Coinbase's Base network. If Coinbase were to collaborate with the US government or with Wall Street on stablecoin adoption, then guess what? Base could be the big gainer here. They would get some serious momentum. Coinbase is already deeply involved in the stablecoin space with USDC and with Circle and all that kind of stuff. And of course, despite Base not having its own token, Base is already becoming a major hub for USDC transactions, and that's bullish for Coinbase stock. As stablecoins unlock trillions of dollars in liquidity, these chains will be among the first to grow. But here's where things get interesting. See, stablecoins aren't just for moving money. They fuel liquidity in the entire space. They fuel DeFi protocols where users can park stablecoins to earn more yield. More stablecoin supply means a higher total value locked in DeFi, which means more revenue fees for protocols like Aave, like Uniswap, like Maker, okay? As well as higher valuations for tokens, more revenue for tokens. Now we're gonna mix real world assets in, okay? People are gonna bring stocks and all that stuff on chain too, so we're gonna be able to borrow USDC against that stuff. It's gonna be nuts, man. This liquidity wave could see DeFi's growth absolutely skyrocket. And don't overlook new infrastructure projects as well and apps that emerge from the boom as stablecoin demand expands. Stuff like Athena and their experimental stablecoin could be an interesting play here as well. Stablecoins are no longer just for keeping dry powder on the sidelines. They're becoming a core pillar of the global financial system. And as trillions of dollars rush into the cryptocurrency space from big banks and all that stuff, it's going to be the rising tide that lifts all boats. Means your dog coins, your Bitcoin, all that stuff goes up. The US Treasury sees it. Wall Street sees it. They know. The entire cryptocurrency market will benefit, and this will be incredibly bullish long-term for crypto. And it's only getting started. Thanks for watching.